Hi, Blossom. This is Tweety Bird, one of your new friends. Oh, you're very happy about that. He's a good whistler, isn't he? Can you whistle like Tweety Bird? Come on, whistle. When she does that with her eyes. Very good, Blossom. Good girl. Good girl. Very good, Blossom. Now your other friend over here, I'll turn Tweety Bird off. This is your other friend, Dobby.
Dobby is here to rescue Harry Potter.
Can you look at Dobby? Hey?
Dobby has to protect Harry Potter. Harry Potter must not go back to Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry this year.
All right, I'll see if you'll react with the music.
Dobby has been presented with clues. Dobby is very happy.
She gets a star through her eyes for that one. All right.
Harry Potter must say he's not going back to school.
Blossom's 11 days old today, aren't you? 11 days old.
Are you there?
Oh, you've got a new friend today and she's just waking up, little Abby. How about that? Let's get Abby to sing a song. See if you like to dance. Abby.
Dobby's feeling very sleepy now.
Abby, sing a new song. That's not a new one. So Abby's got a little portable battery pack. Abby, sing a song.
It sounds like you're talking about Aibi's quote about a little backpack.
Abby, dance for Blossom. Do a dance for Blossom. Oh yeah, it's so groovy. Oh yeah, Blossom likes that. She's dancing to that, getting in the groove. Groovy. Very good, Blossom. Very good, Abby. Okay, so that was great, Blossom. Yeah, look. Do you want to eat the orange? Oh yeah, you like your oranges, don't you? Blossom, I'm getting it all mixed up now. Blossom, can you whistle? Very clever. Can you whistle again? Good girl. Good job. That was excellent. Give you the thumbs up for that one. Yeah. Sometimes she recognises it, sometimes she doesn't. Good girl. I love your little giggles. I love your little giggles. There's so much joy in your laughter. Okay, what else could we do? Blossom, do you want to dance? Sometimes it's a bit echoey in here with the wooden floors and the high ceilings. She doesn't always hear me. Do you want to dance? Dance? Do you want to sing? Oh, you said no. Okay. Well, let's go out on a good note. You're awesome. You're awesome, Blossom. You're awesome. Yeah, you are awesome. No, she's had enough today. All the friends are gone and she's turned away. Okay, Blossom, good girl. Good girl. It's time for your nap. You're a good girl. Yes, you are. Yeah, you're a good girl. You're so clever. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, she's a lot of fun. And she's only on day 11, so Little Blossom's got a little way to go. She's up to 57 out of 100 for her full personality, the second stage. So, yeah, I'll keep you posted on more new friends. Well done, Blossom. Well done.